Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to get this look right here using a few new products that I just picked up. So if you'd like to see how to get this look right here, don't forget to subscribe down below and keep on watching. Hi everyone, welcome back. So once again, as you can see, I have one eye done and I'm going to show you how to achieve the other eye getting this look using the Natasha Denona palette. This is the Mini Tropic palette. Okay, so now that you guys are all the way zoomed in, you can really see how pretty and dynamic this look is going to come out. I am obsessed with blue. It's my favorite color, and when I saw this palette, I was trying to create something with all the colors, but I figured, you know what, let me really highlight some of the colors in this palette, and then another day I can kind of create some more looks using the other shades. So we're going to be starting off with, again, the shade Laguna, which is the shade right here. Let me show you guys close up. Really, really pretty shade. So we're going to be going into that shade with a big fluffy brush. And I first want to just apply it onto the crease. Just really lightly, just back and forth. And then after it's applied, I want to just kind of circular motion, just kind of blend the color out. Then we're going to be going into the shade right here, which is Tiger Lily. It's a really, really pretty kind of blue purple shade. It's just really gorgeous. Flat shader brush and then just packing it on. Okay, so you just want to add as much as you like to really get the shade and kind of pigmentation that you want. Okay, so once that's on there, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be going back into the blue and I'm just going to blend everything out. So I'm going to take a little bit more Laguna and then I just want to go right here onto the crease primarily and just really intensify that and just blend them together really well. So now that that's done, we're going to be going into one of my favorite colors on this palette, which is Midi Frost. It's a shade right here. It looks silver on camera, but I'm going to swatch it for you guys so you can see what it really looks like. And it is just so gorgeous. It's a really, really pretty shade. It has kind of like flecks of blue, but kind of silver in it. It's just a really, really pretty shade. So I'm first going to apply it right here because I really want that to be like where it really kind of pops. So right there. And then once that's done, I'm actually going to bring it a little this way. I'm going to bring it onto the inner part of the eyelid. So I want to add some sparkle right here. And I want the color to be primarily right here. And then I'm going to the middle of the eyelid, pretty much right here. That's where I want to then diffuse the color. So I want to apply the most right here and then kind of just like really lightly tap right here towards the middle. That way I can kind of just blend out really nicely. And I'm going to add some powder right underneath. I'm actually going to pack it on just like that because I don't want any fallout. Just because I'm doing the bottom of my eye. Again, there's not much fallout with this palette, but I don't want any of the glitter to get onto my face. So I'm going to put powder just in case. So once again, I'm taking the color Mini Frost and now I'm going to just come right underneath the lower lash line. And use this. And now I'm going to just add some mascara. For today, I'm going to be using the Honest Beauty mascara. This has quickly become one of my favorites. So I'm going to use the primer that's on this side here, on both my lower lashes and my top lashes. So this is a 2-in-1, so right over here is the mascara. So I'm going to just open that up and apply it to my lashes. Okay, so now that the eye makeup is done, we're going to be going on to the lips. And for lips today, we're going to be using some NYX products. These are the new NYX Lingerie Push-Up Lippies. And I just picked these up. I feel like they're super, super pretty, really nice colors. So let me swatch them for you guys. This one here is in the color Corset. This one I thought was so different. And it's kind of like a nude, but it has a little bit of shimmer in it. It was really, really interesting. So this is the color Corset, which is this one right here. So this is the shade. This darker shade here is the color Teddy. And I'll show you what this looks like. This was recommended to me by the girls that worked at the 14th Street store. And I was like, you know, I'm going to try it. So really, really pretty. So I'm super excited to try it today. They said it looks good on every shade and it kind of just looks different on every skin tone, which I thought was really cool. So I'm going to start off with the color Teddy. I'm going to use this to line the outside of my lips. And now I'm going to be going in with Corset for the inner part of the lips. And I'm going to take my finger and then just blend it out. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to add one of the butter glosses right over top. This is the butter gloss in the color Tiramisu. So I'm going to add this right over the top. So to finish today's look, I wanted it to be really bronzy and I just wanted the eyes to be like the star of the show for today. So I'm not going to be highlighting and adding like a lot of different shimmers because I want the shimmer to really stand out. I just want to set my face, and I'm going to be using my favorite setting spray ever. If you haven't heard about this one, you have to try it. It's really, really good, super hydrating, and it really just makes a difference throughout the day. You really notice it right away. This is the Makeup Forever Mist and Fix 02, and this is the bottle right here. Really, really good. One of my favorites. Highly, highly recommend it. So I'm going to just spritz my face. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this blue tutorial. If you did, don't forget to subscribe down below. That way you can see when I'm uploading new work. And until next time, remember to always create a life that you love.